Hey guys, Amazon has these zipper bags. If I think about it, I will put a link to these below. I'm finding them very useful. They're pretty sturdy. Not had a problem with them yet. Yeah, I've been really happy with them. And it's a good size, you know, with me downsizing or minimizing the size or space that I need to put my craft things in. Okay, so I had 9 of these, this, and this, full of buttons. Okay, these were all full of buttons. 9 of these. Now here's 2 of these in here, so I couldn't fit another 2. I might be able to fit 1 more in and close the lid. Alright, so Ziploc baggies, same amount of buttons. I've got them all color coordinated, and I tell you, I am a person that first loves to see my product. I love to have it all out. Okay, so I can see what's in here. It's buttons, so it reminds me to, hey, let's check out the buttons. Secondly, I organize mostly to color. So that if I'm looking for something yellow, I can pull out the yellow buttons and see if that's something for me. I can pull out the yellow ribbon. I can pull out my yellow material. I can pull out, you know. So, granted, sometimes it streamlines. Excuse me, it streamlines it a little bit too much. And there's something that was mainly green that would have looked fabulous, but. For the most part, this works the most quickly for me. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that. Saving a lot of space. Got it all in one unit, but yet I've got them in individual bags so that I can, if I know that I'm gonna need some red buttons, I can pull the red buttons and go, or I can bring the whole thing and have everything. Alright, so I just wanted to share that with you. There's another before and after. Okay guys, bye.